everybody. This is Miss Jessica at the Negaunee Public Library. I am here today to show you how to place a hold in our catalog so that you can request items that are here in the library or elsewhere in the UP so that we can check them out to you and bring them out to your car or put them on the book cart outside so that you can enjoy them. Okay, so we are going to start by going to cityofnegaunee.com. Okay, nice and easy, cityofnegaunee, all one word, .com. And if you scroll down, about a quarter of the way down, on the right-hand side, you will see Negaunee City Library. Click on that. That brings you to our website. As you can see, welcome to the Negaunee Public Library. And there's information about what we currently have going on. Like right now, we are doing extended curbside services. So if you want to have us make copies or fax something, you can make an appointment for us to do that. Same as you do for picking up books or whatever you want to get at the library. So today we're going to look at our library catalog. Over here on the left-hand side in the main menu is library catalog. I recommend using the new version. So we click on that. It might open up in a new window like it did here, and we'll give it a moment to load. So as you can see, you are at the Negaunee Public Library. We have a little Facebook scroller on the left-hand side. You can see the new the bestsellers that we have, recommended reading, new books, new CD books, new DVDs. And there's a little book river in the middle here that just scrolls through and shows you pictures of different books that you might want. So if you want, say, this latest James Patterson, you can click Find in My Library and give it a moment. Ta-da! You can see that, okay, so this first copy is LP, that would be large print. That is at one of our member libraries, Alanson Area Public Library. That's downstate, by the way. It's currently checked out. We have the CD book. You can see that here where it says format, as well as this little disc up by the picture of it. Keep scrolling. There's the new book. That's the print version, which most people want. Again, it's checked out. What do you do if you want a book that's checked out? You can place a hold over here on the right. If you click that, it will ask for your library card number and PIN. And then you can log in. If you don't know your PIN, you can always give us a call, area code 906-475-7700, extension 18, during our business hours. Okay, so I'm going to click on the house up here and show you how to do a search. So say you are looking for books on dinosaurs. You can keep it nice and easy. You can type in dinosaurs here and click search. That brings up 209 books. Wow, we've got a lot of books on dinosaurs. So, are you looking for any of these? Do you want to narrow it down maybe? Are you looking for something for adults, something for kids, something for teens? Over here on the left, we have limit search results. So you can choose how to limit things like format. Say you just want a book. You can click so that there's a little check next to book and include it. So we've narrowed it down to just 170 books. Say you're looking for a kid's book. Okay, so interest level, there's adult, juvenile, and young adult. Juvenile is kids, young adult is teens, if you're not familiar with those bigger words. So we want a kid's book. So let's click on juvenile, include. Okay, that narrows it down just a little bit to 163 books. Okay, so we can see pictures of most of the books. We can see where they're located, like this one is in Juvenile Easy Picture Books. That is in the picture book section here that you see behind me. If something has a call number like this, that is a nonfiction book. Think of it as a street address. All the dinosaur books live at this address. They'll have different apartment numbers based on the author's last name. That's in this case, the S, and then some numbers. That stands for the author's last name. You can also see that it's in juvenile nonfiction. Okay, so, ooh, here's a book on feathered dinosaurs. That sounds pretty cool, hey? So we can click on the title for more information about this book. Okay, so you can see there's an AR level and a Lexile measure. If you're looking for something specific for a reading level for someone, you can see a bit about the book, including that it's 64 pages. And you can request it either down here where it says request specific volume, or you can click place hold. And I'm just going to turn off the sharing while I type in my library card. Okay, and we will share that again. Okay, so I typed in my library card number and PIN, and now you can see it's giving me another prompt. Is this the book I want to place a hold on? And is this where I want to pick it up? Yes, so we click on place holds. And then you get another screen like this that says success. We did it, yay. So you can click OK. And then from there you can keep searching. For now I'm going to log out because I'm not going to place anything else. So there's a basic overview of how you search our catalog. Oh, say you're looking for a book that we don't have. Okay, so let's go back to the home page for this. by clicking the little house over on the left. So you didn't find what you're looking for. You can change it to resource sharing libraries. So that means all the libraries in our cooperative that have agreed to send books to each other will be available in this. So that means, like, say you know that there's a book at Peter White that you want. You can place a hold by typing it into the search for resource sharing libraries. Richmond Township Library out in Palmer does not participate, but you should be able to find books that they have at other libraries, I would think. But just so you're aware, they don't participate in this. So say you're looking for, I'm just bringing this one up because I had someone ask for it the other day and we don't have a copy. So resource sharing libraries. Okay. So as you can see, there's the book with a little book icon. And you can see that 38 libraries have it. Wow. So that way, you can click on place hold again to be able to get it shipped here. And that is completely free to you. And based on the amount that we interlibrary loan books, it only costs us a couple of dollars. And the price, and it gets even more reasonable the more people use it. So if you're looking for a book that we don't have, don't worry, we can get it for you. And it's really reasonably priced. Doesn't cost you a thing. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to contact the library. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been instructive. So take care, have a great day, and I hope you are able to find lots of books that you want to check out from us.